Pete the Cat's Groovy Guide to Love. Tips from a Cool Cat on How to Spread Love by Kimberly and James Dean. Love is a Friendship Set to Music by Joseph Campbell. Rock on, Pete. A loving heart was better and stronger than wisdom. Charles Dickens. Loving school is cool. Pete. Love is space and time measured by the heart. By Marcel Proust. Far out. Love is out of this world. Pete. Love yourself and everything else falls into line. Lucille Ball. I'm awesome. I'm groovy. Pete. Love is the greatest refreshment in life. Pablo Picasso. Cheers, here's to love. Pete. At the touch of love, everyone becomes a poet. Plato. Roses are red, Pete is blue, day and night, I love you. Pete. Love conquers all. Virgil. Way to Mount Everest. Love makes anything possible. Pete. Where love is concerned, too much is not even enough. Pierre Barmarcus. Love big. Pete. Love is the master key which opens the gate of happiness. Oliver Wendell Holmes. Come on in, Pete. All you need is love. John Lennon and Paul McCartney. Morning, noon, and night, all love is all right. Pete. The best thing to hold on to in life is each other. Audrey Hepburn. Better together. Pete. Let the beauty of what you love be what you do. Rumi. Do more of what makes you happy. Pete. Friends show their love in times of trouble. Always stop to help your turtle friends. Pete. Spread love everywhere you go. Let no one ever come to you without leaving happier. Mother Teresa. Be the reason someone smiles today. Pete. Choose a job you love and you will never have to work. Confucius. Do what you love. Pete. Keep love in your heart. A life without it is like a sunless garden when the flowers are dead. Oscar Wilde. Love starts with me. Pete. Where there is love, there is life. Love makes life groovy. Pete. Love is patient. Love is kind. It does not envy. It does not boast. It is not proud. Love forgives. Pete. Being deeply loved by someone gives you strength, while loving someone deeply gives you courage. Love makes you brave. Pete. How do I love thee? Let me count the ways. Elizabeth Barrett Browning. I love you to infinity. Pete. The way to know life is to love many things. Vincent van Gogh. A fun day is a good day. Pete. If you want to be loved, be lovable. Sometimes the most unlikely friend is the coolest friend. Pete. The first duty of love is to listen. Paul Tillich. A cool friend is a good listener. Pete. Tweet, 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 tweet. May the sun shine all day long, everything go right and nothing wrong. May those you love bring love back to you, and may all the wishes you wish come true. Irish blessing.